Okay? Shake, friend of Nemo. And your Abby. Oh, still standing. Ooh la la. Then after this, I'm going to make your owishi sauce. Owishi sauce. Just like from McDonald's. Like gravy. So I will use now mango ice cream. Yeah.
Yes.
Different
Yan
flavor.
daw, sabi ng ating chef na si John Ibabaw.
And